Hello students, our today's topic is parallel accounting, assign accounting principles to ledger group. When a ledger is created, the system automatically generates a ledger group with the same name. For parallel accounting and for assignment of ledger through accounting principle in depreciation areas in new assets accounting, we have to assign a accounting principle to ledger group. For assigning principle to ledger group, we can go by path SPRO, SAP Reference Implementation Guide, Financial Accounting Global Settings, Ledgers, Parallel Accounting, assign account principle to ledger group. For assigning accounting principle to ledger group, we will go for SAP system. Enter SPRO, SAP Reference Implementation Guide, Financial Accounting Global Settings, Ledgers, Parallel Accounting, assign accounting principle to ledger group. Click on position, enter our accounting principle GAAP. So click on new entries and enter GAAP and TR. Then click on save button. Click on create request and enter your description. TRE1 assign accounting principle to ledger group. Then click on save button and click on continue button. Come back.